Hello and welcome to the Freedom of Religion Constitutional Law Essay Approach. Please take a moment and copy what's on the board. It's a rather short approach, so don't take too much time, and I'll be back in a moment to begin teaching. Okay, hopefully that gave you enough time to copy it down. So the important thing to remember here is that if you are in a general call of question, meaning the examiners are not specifically asking for the free exercise clause or the establishment clause, that you always go into both. I made this approach because a lot of the blue books that I was seeing over the years really did not go into both forms of challenges to a freedom of religion issue. So make sure in a general question, you go both into the free exercise and establishment clauses. Let's begin. Take out your approach. The free exercise clause refers to the section of the First Amendment that claims Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise of religion. A neutral law of general applicability. Neutral law of general applicability. I actually want you to break that out into a heading. That is the key part of the standard. It is a neutral law of general applicability that does not implicate the free exercise clause. The government may not deny benefits to individuals who quit their jobs for religious reasons. The free exercise clause prohibits the government from punishing someone on the basis of his or her religious beliefs. So really what you're going to have to establish here is what the discriminatory violation was. What was that violation of one's freedom to exercise their religion in, let's say, the workplace or in, let's say, a courthouse? What exactly ensued? So was somebody forced to take off their yarmulke, or was somebody not allowed to have dreadlocks in the workplace? All of those can definitely be challenged under the free exercise clause. Next, the establishment clause. The First Amendment's establishment clause prohibits the government from creating any law that respects an establishment of religion. The government can't make any law respecting the establishment of religion. This clause forbids the government from establishing an official religion, unduly favoring one religion over another, or unduly preferring religion over non-religion. Now, this is where the Lemon test must be established. So as you can see on the board, there's a three-part test under the Lemon test. So for the establishment clause, all you're doing is giving a little blurb and intro, introducing the Lemon test, and then separately IRACing out this three-part test. The Lemon test is used to determine if a law violates the First Amendment. There must be a secular purpose for the law, meaning the statute must have a secular legislative purpose. The effect cannot advance or inhibit religion. The statute's primary effect must be one that neither advances nor inhibits religion. And there can be no excessive entanglement. The statute must not foster an excessive government entanglement with religion. This is the entire approach. And you might be wondering, why did she make such an approach? Because that general question, I really wanted you to know, because sometimes they will give a full-blown freedom of religion question. Now, don't forget that you need to add the justiciability issues to the beginning, all right? So we're always going to consider standing and state action and mootness and ripeness and third-party standing. So those are issues that could attach here. And freedom of religion definitely could cross over into a number of other areas of con law. Most importantly, freedom of speech and equal protection, or you could have a procedural due process violation. However, if you ever have a general call of question, again, you're going to go into both free exercise clause and the establishment clause. Free exercise clause, break out the general applicability and really give some good analysis there. The establishment clause, go into the 3-part lemon test, and you will maximize your points. That is all that is relevant here. I wish you the best and good luck.